Select Assembly to begin. Insert the first part, which will be fixed in the assembly. Through the tool library, insert a screw and a nut. You can find the specifications of the elements in the instruction sheet. Start adding the standard position relations for the screw so that it is completely fixed. As you can see, the nut does not have threads, so you must remove it and create one that shows the threads. Now add concentricity with the screw. Since the nut is inside the board, modify its transparency and drag the nut. This relation will not actually be used. It is only used to ensure the mechanical relation works from the correct initial position. Proceed to add the screw relation, for which you must select two circular edges from the different parts. And enter the thread pitch, which in this case is 0.8 millimeters. Move the thread to check its correct functioning. For the next relation, insert the necessary parts again. Apply the standard relations first. Proceed to create the slot mechanical relation so that the part only moves within the hole. Now, for the part to move within the hollow guide of the board, use cam. Finally, check that the mechanical relation works correctly. Great. To practice, try to do it by yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.